Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to our show. We're very happy to present you the story of the wolf and the seven donkeys. We hope you enjoy it.
I am the wolf.
I am the mother wolf.
We are the seven donkeys.
I am the baker and the shopkeeper. I am the bed. I am the clock. I am the dog. I am the curtain. I am the table. I am the chair. And I am the narrator. Once upon a time, the mother goat was had a seven kids. One day said, want to go in the forest to get some food. So she called and sent their kids. Listen to me, dear children. I'm going to the forest to get some food. Beware of the big bad wolf. If he comes, he will eat you. You will know him by his rough voice and his black feet. Okay, mommy. Don't break mommy. So the mother goat went in the forest and left the kids at home. A little later, were was a knock on the door.
Open the door, dear children. It's your mother. I've got something delicious for each one of you.
But the kids knew it was not their mother. No,
not open the door.
I am not your mother. She has a sweet and boasting voices around. You are the big bad wolf.
Away, Wolfie. What can I do? Let me sing. Ah, yes, I know.
The wolf went to the shop to buy some chocolate to make his sweet and kind.
Hello. Yes, I can a chocolate, please.
What chalk or cold chalk?
One choc and hurry up.
Here you are, but you sold it all you know.
I'll leave what I like. How much is it?
1 euro and 8 cents.
Here you are.
Bye. The wolf had some chalk and twisted his voice.
flower here, some white flower there. Now, delicious little kids, I'm coming to eat you.
They will run back to the house of the seven nephews. Let me see your face. Yes, you have quite big leg of mommy. Open the door. The seven little kids opened the door and saw the wolf. They were upstairs and tried to hide. Hey, listen, the big bad wolf. Where are you going to hide? Where are you going to hide? Quickly, taking number one. High on the chair. I said, high under the chair.
Quickly, little number two, high in the cupboard. I said, high in the cupboard. Quickly, little number three, high under the table. I said, under the table.
Quickly, taking number one. Hang handle. I said, hang handle.
Quickly, taking number five, high on the carpet. I said, high on the carpet.
Quickly, taking number six. High under the bed. I said, high under the bed. Quickly, taking number seven. High inside the cloak. I said, high inside the cloak. They will let him in their room and start looking for the kids.
Chair, have you seen a little piggy?
No, not here. Listen to me.
Let me look at the chair. Well, a delicious little pig. About, have you seen a little piggy?
No, not here. They are in the toilet.
Let me look in the cupboard. Well, a delicious little pig. Well, have you seen a little piggy?
No, not here. You want to play pilot.
Let me look under the table. Well, a delicious little pig. Carpet. Door. Have you seen a little piggy?
No, not here. They are in the room.
Let me look behind the door. Well, a delicious little pig. Carpet. Have you seen a little pig?
No, we are not doing it.
Let me look under the carpet. Well, a delicious little pig. Have you seen a little pig?
No, not here.
Let me look under the chair. Oh, under the bed. Well, a delicious little pig. Well, have you seen a little pig?
No, not here. They are playing football.
Let me look behind the clock. No, nothing. Let me look on top of the clock. No, nothing. I'm going to sleep.
They will stand the house and went to sleep on the actual. A little later, they got cash on for the forest. Open the door, dear children, meet your mother. I got something delicious for each one of you. Children, where are you? Oh no, what a mess! Little kids? Little kids?
The big bad wolf ate the little kids.
Oh my little kids?
No, Mommy, I am here inside and block the big bad one is eating and we broke it as a wizard as in what? Wait.
Quick, get the sisters. A little, a red, a tiny. Mother got and the little kid knew to feed the wolf. The wolf was sleeping. Hello, mommy. Hello, mommy. they will wake up. She's very Christy and very